Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how to pair serif fonts with sans serif fonts. So, if you don't know, serif font are the fonts that have flares like this, and sans serif is just a straight edge font. So, flares meaning this or the eyes, everything has like little extra flares, right? So, we can change to maybe Playfair font, which has more of the stylized flash. So things like these, yeah, or so it's stylized, right? But sans serif fonts doesn't have that. So sans meaning nothing. So yeah, so I want to talk about how to pair it. So first is if you're building a web app or a landing page, serif fonts can look good, but in specific places. So if you're building something that's a little professional, many people are going to read it. Just try to have serif fonts for the only headings, and everywhere else sans serif fonts will look good and it's easier to read when it's sans serif. So and basically try to not include it at lots of places. Add lots of sans serif fonts to one serif font, so probably the h1 h2 it can be sans serif, and try to not have very thin sans serif font. So something like instrument sans looks good, but it's so thin you have to increase the font size for it to make sense. But yeah, try not to do very thin fonts like this, and because that's a little bit harder to read. And yeah, that's it. Try adding it to your websites, it will look good. If you're building something like e-commerce or like news websites, it will look good everywhere. But for web apps and landing pages, only the h1 or h2 would be perfect. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.